Leo, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. Titignan natin kung ano parating sa inyo ngayong fourth quarter ng 2024. So that's October, November, December. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. Okay, let's see, Leo, what's coming to you October, November, December for Leo. Healthy boundaries. Ayan, magsaset ka na ng healthy boundaries. Hindi mo nahahayaan na ikaw ay i-take advantage ng iba. You're going to put some limit, no, sa mga ginagawa mo for other people, no? Kumbaga, hindi laging todo bigay. Bigay todo. Ayan. So, at least it's healthy boundaries. And I think naman, ginagawa mo yan para sa sarili mo, para sa kapayapaan ng isip mo, para sa kaayusan ng mental health mo, setting boundaries. You also have energy ng teacher. So, yung iba sa inyo may opportunities na makapagturo, makapag-share ng inyong knowledge, ng inyong skills sa iba, or maaring meron kayong training na aatenan ngayong last quarter ng 2024 wherein marami kang matututunan sa isang mentor, sa isang teacher. You also have empowerment. Wow. So you are very confident, no, sa sarili mo in a good way, no, na you know your worth, alam mo yung kakayanan mo, and dahil empowered ka, malakas ang loob mo na sumubok ng mga bagong bagay, mga bagong experiences. You are embracing new opportunities, especially mga learning opportunities ngayong last quarter ng 2024. So let's see what else for Leo. What's coming? You have the devil. Oh, I think ito yung setting healthy boundaries. Oh. Meron kang kinakat na unhealthy habits. This can be any form of unhealthy habits na alam mong hindi na siya helpful sa'yo. Pwedeng may kinalaman sa kalusugan mo yan. Yung habits mo na, let's say, madalas ka magpuyat, alam mo naman it's not good for your body. And then, yung iba, unhealthy na kumain, no? So, kung ano-ano pang mga unhealthy sa inyo na i-release ninyo, you're going to cut that. Dahil, parang nire-ready mo na yung sarili mo for 2025, na ngayon pa lang, mas nagiging healthy living ka na. Although yung temptation nandyan pa rin sa paligid-ligid, pero you will not allow that to happen. You have the Nine of Pentacles, so this is stability in your finances. I see you na growing your money, growing your income. So kung ano man yung pinagkakakitaan mo, pinagkakaabalahan mo sa career mo, sa business mo, sa source of income mo, lalo mo tong mapapalago. And this is also financial independence, no? So, kumbaga, you can do things on your own. Hindi mo kailangan umasa sa iba. Dahil ikaw mismo, kaya-kaya mong asahan ang iyong sarili. I also see a fulfillment here. Meron kang wish fulfillment pagdating sa iyong career path. Kung ano man yung pinupurso mo sa trabaho, sa career mo, it's going to do great ngayong last quarter. O, di ba? Four of Wands. Merong celebration. Maaring may mga celebration or events na mangyayari within your family members or sa mga kamag-anak mo or yung mga tinuturing mong family. So, merong celebration dito. Yung iba sa inyo, maaring makakapagpundar na kayo ng inyong sariling bahay, lupa, sasakyan, or any assets na masasabi mo na, wow, kaya ko pala yun, or nagawa ko to on my own. You're also going to share your blessings sa family mo. No? Maaring tutulong ka sa family, sa parents mo. You have the Eight of Wands. So, going to be very busy ngayong last quarter. Syempre, halos lahat naman busy, no? Kapag holiday season. So, maaring marami kang pupuntahan. May mga travel opportunities rin dito. Pwedeng group travels to, no? With your family, with your friends, for vacation. Maari ring marami ka ring aasikasuhin like mga paperworks, mga requirements if you have a business. Okay? So, tinan pa natin. Money, career, finances message. Ano yung energy for Leo? You have the tower. Oh. So, money, career, finances, meron ditong major change. May release. Yung iba sa inyo, maaring aalis kayo sa isang work, sa isang trabaho, sa isang career or business para meron kayong i-pursue na bagong opportunity. So, maaring iba sa inyo, from being an employee, ito na yung magta-transition kayo from an employee to becoming an entrepreneur. Let's see what else. Money, career, finances. Wow! See, merong blessings. Unexpected fortune is about to come. This is a great time to enjoy the blessings pouring in. Wow! Your finances are doing well at this moment when it comes to your money, career, finances. Napakaganda ng energies for you ngayong last quarter sa inyong kaperahan. Kumbaga ano to major change, revolutionary. Yung iba, parang may babaguhin sa buhay ninyo. Like for example, meron kayong unexpected na pera na dumating. Tapos ito na yung pagkakataon ninyo na to set up your own business or makapag-set ng bagong goals para sa yung finances, investments mo, and many more. Sa love life, the hanged one. Okay. So, maaring pagdating sa love life ninyo, if you're connecting with someone at medyo alanganin yung relationship mo with this person, maaring siya, magpapatuloy lang siya na ganun, nakabitin. Kasi ito yung pagkakataon na binibigay sa'yo na pag-isipan kung willing ka pa na ipagpatuloy yung relationship mo with this person. Kasi pwedeng itong person na to, hindi mo na nararamdaman yung love, yung care na ine-expect mo sa kanya. Abundance, your needs are all met. So I feel like you will also be focusing more on giving gifts, showering gifts to your family, to your loved ones, no? If you're single, pwede ring hindi ka muna nagfo-focus sa personal relationships mo like romantic connection. You're more focused on your financial stability. Oo, nandun yung iyong energy. Nandun ang iyong time, effort. Kasi iniisip mo, may iba pa namang chance. Lalo na kung umaarangkada yung career path mo ngayon. Nako, meron ditong betrayal, toxic situation. Be careful, okay? If you feel like merong tao na merong hindi magandang intentions towards you, nako, iwasan na yan. 'Di ba? Na not what it seems. Merong yung may encounter, pwedeng may ma-encounter kayong situation, person, ngayong last quarter ng 2024 na parang siya, meron siyang deceiving siya, parang manloloko. Oo, this can be sa relationship, this can be sa family or sa finances, sa pera, no? So, kumbaga, pay attention doon sa mga red flags na makikita mo. Kailangan pag-aralan mo munang maigi. Merong challenge dito. Sometimes you feel stuck. One step forward, two steps back. Parang yung kanta ni Olivia Rodrigo. So, I think you're going to reassess your situation, Leo. Kung merong part ng life mo na feeling mo hindi siya nagiging fulfilling para sa'yo, i-reassess mo ano yung kulang, ano yung problema, ano yung dapat mo pang i-improve sa sarili mo. The power of divine grace is within you. Yes. So, you are being given with this grace. Nasa sayo daw yan. choose to follow the path of forgiveness and raise your vibration. So maaring meron kang patatawarin. This can be yourself or other people na na-disappoint ka in some ways. But I feel like isa ito sa palalayain mo para magaan yung pakiramdam mo bago matapos yung taon, 'di ba? Come together, we need each other. Where have you been separating yourself or pushing against others and the world? So I feel like merong yung mga soul family mo or people na pareho ng interest mo, yung mga nagugustuhan mo. So yun yung mga taong makakasalamuha mo, makakasama mo. You're going to connect with them. And very powerful ang number 4 sa inyo. I see a lot of synchronicities of 4. 4 is about stability, foundation, and having this control over your life. So I think you have the full control of your life ngayong last quarter ng 2024. So that is your reading, Leo. Thank you so much. Bye.